Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California. We're just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more. Today what we're going to show you is a really nice brake, one of my personal favorites. It's a Cincinnati press brake. This is a model Form Master. It's a 230 ton by 12 foot. You have 12 foot for the full bed length. You have 10/6 between the housings. You'll also notice on this machine, it does have the die rail, so you can do standard press braking dies. And this machine is fitted with a very large flanged bed, which allows you to do a lot of different rolling techniques and many other different forming techniques. So take a look at the pictures so you can see how everything is on this machine. It's in really, really nice condition. Has a 3-axis CNC CompuBend Zacron controller. So what that means is it's going to have an axis on your ram, you have your back gauge, and also on the back gauge you're going to have your gauge height. The height will go up and down, that'll give you the 3rd axis. You're going to have dual palm controls, have a foot pedal. Here's the spot where you're going to set all your limits, depending on what the heights, the different strokes, if you're going to have a high or low, meaning if you're going to have a quick approach, a slow forming, and a quick retract. You set everything right to here, and right here you'll see your back gauge as well as your ram gauge. Will show you where the ram is at, and of course you can put programs into this CNC control. So we're going to go ahead, I'm just going to cycle the machine a few times, show you the back gauge moving, let you see that everything is fully functional on this machine. We've checked everything out, all the main components are working, and we'll go ahead and let you see how it works. First thing I want you to notice, take a look at the cylinders. Right now we're in the position B of the sequence. As we go through the steps, as the ram goes down and retracts, it's going to go to each step which is programmed in here, and it'll get back to the original sequence. After we do that, we'll show you the back gauge working. So now you can see the light here is in the B sequence. Now it's switched to E. There's nothing programmed in the D right now. Back to F. You can see this is the program we're running through. Now we're in the A sequence. Now notice, right now it stopped. This A we had programmed to go ahead and do a slow forming with a quick approach. So you saw it came down really quick and it stopped. As soon as it stopped, that lets us know we're into the forming mode. And you'll notice right now it's going to go very slowly in a slow form, and then it'll retract at a quick rate. And you can also see the sequence on the lights here, that it's back to B. I take a close-up of this really quick, and you can notice I'm going to go through the whole cycle. You can just watch the lights changing from each step. You could also adjust the stop so it doesn't have to retract to the entire top of the ram stroke, saving you about 4 or 5 inches. It'll make it a little bit easier if you're doing a lot of different pieces at different bends. So you can see we're all the way back to the original A position. Now it's going to be a nice slow form again. Back to the quick retract. Now we'll run it through one more time. You take a look, you can see the cylinders on each side of the machine. They're in very, very nice condition. We've worked on a lot of these machines here. Cincinnati is one of our favorites. We do have a complete repair facility, complete paint, electrical, mechanical. We do everything in-house. We've worked on many of these machines. We've replaced all the seals. We've reground cylinders in these Cincinnati's. These are in really good condition. They don't need any work. They're absolutely ready to go. So I'm going to go cycle it a couple more times. Let you see each side of the ram. You can watch the cylinders and see how everything looks on them. You see there's no scoring or gouging anywhere. No major leaks. back down to the original A, and we'll form again. And take a look at the pictures. We'll show you everything in the pictures as well. You can see it really clear how nice this machine really is. All right, so now that we've shown you everything on the RAM and how that's going to work, also within the RAM controller here, you'll have your axis, so you can see that on here, exactly where you are with your RAM position. I'm going to go ahead and show you just the back gauge, a simple working motion of it. This is a Zacron CompuBend controller. You can see it's a 2-axis back gauge, so it's going to go back and forth. You'll have your fingers here to stop them. They're all adjustable. You can flip them away if you need to. And also the entire back gauge range, the height is going to go up and down. So we'll set that right now. We're going to go ahead and put it to 5 inches on the bend depth. The gauge height we'll put to 3 inches. And the RAM depth will be at 1. We'll hit go. And you noticed not only did the gauge come down, but it also came up. So now we know exactly, we're right at the same spot we just programmed in. We're at 5 inches from the front here to the back, and then you're going to be at 3 inches up. We'll go ahead and move it again, a little more drastically, let you see it. We've got 10 inches. We're going to move the gauge height. We'll double that, and we'll leave the RAM at the same. And you'll notice now, it moved back to 10 inches from the center, and it moved up to 6 inches. We'll do it one more time. Moved it back to 15 inches, moved the gauge up to 8. And the last one I'll go ahead and show you. We're going to move the bend up to 2 inches, and we'll bring the gauge height down to 2 as well. You can see that brought it right up to the point here. And take a look also at this bed. You'll notice all the really nice T-slots on the front and the back. That allows you to put different dies for different press braking applications. And you can take a look at that on our website too. So everything on this control, very easy to calibrate, easy to use. We do have the manuals that go with it. So you can go ahead, it's a simple calibration. You get your X, your Y, your RAM, everything calibrated, set, and you can go ahead to work, program your jobs in there, which is really nice, and repeat the same jobs if you have to. If you come back 8 months later and you have to do the same tabletop, just put in the tabletop job that you already have programmed. You can have an operator walk right up to it and simply push the hand or foot pedal, and between each stroke, your brake will go ahead and do all the work. Now if you're interested in this machine or any other, we do carry just about every size, all the way from 5-ton all the way up to 1,000-ton press brakes. We also carry press brake tooling, European tooling, standard tooling, gooseneck tooling, new and used. So check our website. We have an alternate website, is tooling.sterlingmachinery.com. You can see all the different dies and accessories that go with the thousands of machines that we sell here. We do have 500 manufacturers here in our showroom in South El Monte, California. So if you're interested in visiting, please give us a call. Otherwise, you can check out our website at www.sterlingmachinery.com or call us at 626-444-0311. Thank you very much.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machine